Shadow Pup is an app that is very simple to use and I think would work really well in a primary setting. My 4-year-old uses it independently and doesn't have any problems. So what Shadow Pup does is it allows you to use still pictures, as many as you would like, in any order that you would like, and add your own audio to them. So the way that well, I'll show you how to use it first. The first thing you would do is you could click on Create New. Once you do that, it automatically gives you access to all of the photos that are on that iPad. So you just click on the photos you want, and you can see as I click on them, it's numbering them. So I've picked 8 photos. Now I have the option down here to reorder the picture. So if I wanted, I could, you know what, I've decided I don't want picture 8, so I can just go over here and click on the X, and now picture 8's gone. And maybe I've decided I actually want picture 1 where picture 2 is, so I just hold on it and slide it over, and now boom, automatically they're reordered. Once they look the way I want, I go down here and I click on Next. And what it's going to do is it's going to show you basically a book of pictures. This is in my mother's backyard, us trying to take photos with all the grandkids. It wasn't pretty. But what happens is every picture comes up as its own page. And so students hit the Now It's Time to Record Your Story button. And once they do that, everything that they say is going to be recorded. Sorry, just had a little problem there. So I can type in, click on the Now You Are Recording. Best part about this is as you're recording your story, the kids, or explaining something, the kids just push the button to the side over here and they flip through and they talk about what's going on, about how my son is beating up his cousin. But you just describe what's happening in every scene. So the kids could use this to retell a story that they'd read as a class. But I think a really great application for it would be for students to use it to document something they've learned or they're learning throughout the day. For example, somebody in the block center could be responsible for documenting what it is they create as a group. So they take 5 or 6 pictures throughout the planning or the building process of building some castle. And then, and in their next center time, or later in the day, one of the students or all the students could sit down together and use this Shadow Pup to put their pictures in order of how they completed their task and explain how it is they went about their task or what they learned about this task. You could also use this to take pictures of letters in the classroom, and then kids could say what sound the letter is or say what the name of the letter is, just to make it more interesting for them. There's really a lot of things you can do with this program. And again, once you're done recording your story, if you go and click up in this, or you're done with whatever you're recording, this corner, it's going to give you an option. I just got to pick one here that I've already completed. It's going to give you an option to share. Sorry, I'm just having some problem with the program that I use to record our little screencasts here. But I'll just keep explaining to you. So what happens in Shadow Pup is in that corner button, you can push the share button and right away it allows you to email this. And again, I would recommend you email it right into your Evernote account, and you can tag it with the names of all the students who participated in creating it. And again, when you need it, it's right there at your fingertips, all in your Evernote account.